In this video, I'll show you how to use a call to action button on a Facebook page effectively step by step. First, open your Facebook page and make sure you have the required page access. Go to your page and select Edit Action button or the option to Manage your page button. Choose a call to action that matches your main business goal, such as Send Message, Call Now, Contact Us, Learn More, Book Now, or Shop Now, depending on the options available to your page. Next, connect the button to the correct destination, such as your website, booking page, phone number, or messaging service. Make the destination simple and relevant, so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click the button. Use the same call to action in your posts when appropriate, and clearly tell people what action you want them to take. For example, instead of simply saying, "Visit our website," click Learn More to see our latest offers. Track your page performance and website or messaging results to see which calls to action generate the most responses. Finally, update the button whenever your business goal changes. That's how you can use Facebook page call to action buttons effectively to turn more visitors into customers or leads. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.